Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a Phase 2 phaser from Star Trek The Next Generation. The pieces were printed on an Ender 3 Pro. A link to the files used and the print settings can be found in the below description. It's not too late to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified about awesome future builds. Smooth all surfaces with a 120 grit sandpaper. Then glue the pieces together with CA glue set with zip kicker. Spray the entire object with a 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer. Tape off everything which stays gray and spray with a black flat enamel. Remove the tape. Paint over the gray with Folk Arts Sterling Silver acrylic. This step may require 2 coats. Using white acrylic, paint both the indicator lights and the buttons on the pad. Mix the salmon pink acrylic and paint the smaller 2 buttons. Using an apple green acrylic, paint 12 of the indicator lights. Paint the 4 remaining lights bright red. Finally, you have a fast and easy phaser ready for your next Star Trek themed cosplay, or to just add to your collection.
If you haven't done so yet, hit those like and subscribe buttons to see more builds coming your way. And follow on Instagram and Twitter.